Hello coders and welcome to Hands-On with Microservices in Python. My name is Peter Fisher. I'm a freelance web developer and the host of the How to Code Well podcast and YouTube channel. This course not only explains what microservices are, but we're actually going to design and create and deploy our own microservices. First of all, we examine the typical setup of a microservice architecture. We then go on to build our own microservices. In fact, we build 4 microservices using the Python framework Flask and MySQL. After that, we talk about the security best practices, including OAuth 2, and including how to monitor microservices. Once we've created the microservices, we then go on to document these using Swagger. We also test our API endpoints. After that, we then discuss how we can deploy our microservices, and I go into great detail as to the different strategies and tools that can be used. In fact, the final section is dedicated solely to Docker and how we can deploy our microservices in Docker containers. We first create Docker files for each of our microservices. I then give an overview of the Docker commands that we can run to create and build the Docker images from the Docker files and then run Docker containers from those. After that, we then create our own deployment Docker Compose file that we can use to deploy the whole microservice architecture. So let's jump into the course, learn about microservices, and create, build, manage, and deploy our own microservices in Python.